Hey guys, it's your girl Esperanza and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, today we're trying something new. I like stumbled over my words. Yeah, I'm going to be trying to do braids in my hair. I recently cut my hair, so it's shorter in the back and longer in the front. I put a mirror behind me just so I can see what I'm doing, which is probably still kind of going to be hard because I still can't really see much. But yeah, I have everything I'm gonna need. So the first thing I'm gonna use is, I don't have edge control, so I'm just gonna use like this dippity-doo girls with curls thing, and hopefully it works. I have some oil in this. It actually was coconut oil, but I just put like regular oil in it. My elastic bands. I don't really have a lot of black, so we're just gonna hope that I can use a different color and it will cover. A crochet hook because we're using the rubber band method. A comb with this end, and then I have this one just to like brush out my hair. A toothbrush to do my edges because I might have to do those.
Say you always know, baby, but you never answer, cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I forgot those times when you really loved me, but those times were really far away. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love. Say you always know, baby, but you never answer, cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I forgot those times when you really loved me, but those times were really far away. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Yo te amo, pero no respondes. Nothing that you don't care, and I still wonder. Ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love, ya no hay love. Ay, ya no hay love.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. ones that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
So it's the next day, and I didn't finish recording yesterday just because my camera died, so I'm using my phone now. So the quality might be like a little bit off compared to my camera, but yeah. So these are this is the finished look. I have to still like dip them, but I actually have one braid that's like really long compared to the other one, so I have to cut that. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I don't think it's too bad. I had a hard time like blending my hair in with the other hair, but hey, it's cute for quarantine. And I was kind of tired of the short hair, which is crazy, even though I only have like a month. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and go in with like the crochet hook maybe and see if I can like put my hair in. I was using stuff as I was braiding it to kind of like wet my hair and like mix it, but that didn't happen. I probably should have used Got to Be, which is a little strong, but I know for like next time maybe something different, let's do that. But yeah, this is the finished look. I started like oil my scalp and stuff, but I'm going to try and edit this video, so be on the lookout for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was trying to record, but like I was so focused on my hair that like I wasn't really filming as much, and like so, which is another thing I have to figure out is like battery situation for my camera, because it tends to die really fast. But I have warranty, so I'll probably just get that looked at and then buy an extra battery, which is probably a good idea because I'm filming a lot now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.